Hey guys, we're here sa NASA. Cosa nombre de este day? NASA Space Center sa Houston, Texas. Oh, see that? Ang ganda. Punta kami dyan later. Pasok kami doon. Pasyal namin yan. Malaki yan sa loob. I mean, in space. So, nagmamadali kami because we're running out. Ano na, sa schedule namin. Like, we still have 10 minutes. Isn't it nice? Ande. Oh. Oh, diba? Ang daming mga gente. Sayang naman yung rocket, pero okay lang. Oo nga, no? Sige na, magkita na kayo. Later. Later, doon na muna tayo sa rocket. Baka spaceship.
This way.
Rocket. Ito, saan ba nagpipicture dyan? Sa harap yun eh. Parang nakikita ko. Siyempre, dapat naka ano dito. Ayun, doon.
Sombra.
Punta na kayo doon sa ano, Jay. Sombra. Kaya kunin ko lang to. Mababa na. Anong masasabi mo sa kaka-stairs mo? Akit-akit. Kapoy?
Baka tinapadangan lang ito.
Wala na. Ganyan talaga. Mira po aki. O, bali aki banda. O.
Bakit sila doon
Oh. Hindi ka daw VIP. Napa mapila pa.
Restaurant na sa international flights.
No. 27 in a prototype shuttle called.
Nice, oh. Naman Turkey. Exit.
Navigate the story or build useful.
And then right click on your thumb drive and click paste, and that should get it onto your thumb drive for you.
Sige, sige. Kapag hindi kita ba ha? No? Masa mo tignan? Okay lang, sige na lang. At takiya kita eh.
Just a little bit and see if you're able to get squared away, brother. And if not, I'll help you. Right on. You're welcome, Mike. Talk to you soon. Come take a look.
Entrata. Ito na, este di aton last ano.
Esta fue de las que llegaron a la película primera.
Sige, dyan ko na ito.
Leo. Thank you. 3 of us. You guys enjoying the tour? Of course. What
So now the building you see coming up to our right is building 17, and this is where some of the planning, designing, and engineering of our Orion capsule for our Artemis missions all take place. Momentarily.
Tapos na sila.
Anything and any number from the trend will be donated to
But we are now departing Space Center Houston and heading towards NASA's Johnson Space Center, which is one of 10 NASA field centers. The land that JSC sits on was all previously owned by Rice University, who gifted this land to NASA back in 1962. Before this, ExxonMobil owned the land, and it was all mostly farmland.
Yeah, lamig. Sarap.
Space Center, you may notice deer and other wildlife throughout this campus, and that is also because JSC is a wildlife preserve with more than 250 deer living here, as well as many other kinds of animals such as rabbits, turtles, and even alligators here named Miko. Like so many other things here at NASA, Miko is an acronym standing for Maine Pigeon Cutoff. But now to the left of our tram, you may have already noticed the world-famous Longhorn cattle. These magnificent animals are all native to Texas, and they're a part of our Longhorn Project, which is a non-profit organization operating land leased by the JSC. But now ahead of our tram is a large white building. This building and the surrounding area make up the George W. S. Abbey Rocket Park. This area was dedicated to former JSC Director George Abbey back in 2021. It was also the Apollo spacecraft assistant manager. The building on our right houses a real Saturn V rocket. The Saturn V was a rocket used during our Apollo program to bring our astronauts all the way to the moon, and the one inside of this building is the only flight-certified Saturn V left in the entire world. That is due to the fact that it's made up of 3 canceled Apollo missions, Apollo 18, 19, and Apollo 20.
Este?
Pinakakuan. Actual rocket yung isa.
Bawal na.
Hindi pa.
Babalik na tayo.
Otro area tamin.
Este ya. O, ya pasaya sila.
Ganyan.
But once again though, please remain seated till I make it to the front of the tram as I will be leading us all inside.
Manter pa.
Baka ito na yung sa taas na kasi sila build El Robo. Totally yan siya.
Eh, sorry. Aha.
Right on, real good. 2,000 feet into the ag, 47 degrees. Roger. I'll take you in 47 degrees.
How's our manager looking, Bob? It looks okay. We've got 4.5. Roger.
Eagle looking great. Your go.
350. Up to the mid-air. Looks good. Roger.
So let's find out things ag. Roger. 1,400 feet, still looking very good.
You have it. We have another 1202 on. Roger, this way.
Roger, 1202, we copy it.
How you doing, Control? We look good here, fine. Roger, how about you, Telcon? Go. Guidance, you happy?
Go.
Fido. Go.
We have another 1202 on. 21 down. 30.
Natulog ka lang naman. Yung tinanong
Ha?
The mission control and it was a mission failure due to Valerie's mistake.
That's what we had, guys. It was a very good brief history of what had happened during the Apollo time. Natulog ako. Hinantok ako, guys, kasi you know what? Like 38 hours na ako hindi pa natutulog because of my delay flight, di ba? But then it was still beautiful. Cancelled flight pala.
But the show must go on.
True. Kakain kami sa Rudy's Barbecue. Ayan. Ayun, yung anong recommend niya sa akin. Ano bang masarap? O, okay. Anong restaw to? Rudy's. Rudy's Barbecue. Saya lang kumigo. Oo.
Ito.
Diba? Kakain kami dito. Isa to sa mga sikat na barbecue house dito sa Texas. Kaya try natin. Look at them. Oh, diba? Cute.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Oh, I'm so excited to taste yung mga dishes nila dito. So, we ordered brisket moist, baby back ribs, sausages, and drinks. And potato salad. Halika, tulungan. Oh, yan.
Ese, medium. Ese. Potato salad. Ito kami ito.
Yep. See, look at this. Ayan ang order namin. We got yung mga baby back ribs, brisket, mga sausages, jalapeno, bread, and ayun, mga iba pa. Ayan, it's so nice. Look at this, ang dami, guys. Ayan, plating time. This is, plating siya. Thank you.
Kasi magalit yung flavor, no?
Ito yung... Oh. Sige na, go lang.
CR na, kumalkay na kayo.
Kami, tao, sige.
Jeremia.
That, ano nakalagay doon? Your mother is not here. Please clean up your own mess. So, dapat naman talaga, when we eat, kailangan ligpitin natin yung mga nakain natin. So, yeah, of course. Of course. Nasanay lang talaga tayo sa mga resta or dyan sa, you know, sa Philippines, even sa fast food. We normally iwan na lang ang mga pagkain after magkain. But dito, self-service always. It's nice, I think.
Nakakita sa'yo mag-vlog ngayon.
Walmart! Pasa lang kami, kaya chinik kami ko sa Mira. Estabaya kami na ako sa Kelkos. Costco. May titignan lang. Alright guys, ngayon naman andito kami sa Korean BBQ and hot pot. Kakain kami dito para tong samyuksal sa atin sa Zamboanga. And dito namin naisipan kumain kasi all you can eat na siya after namin yung sa Space Center. So here we go. Siya. Punta na kami sa table namin. We're excited kasi hungry na kami. At the same time, I'm also excited to try yung samyuksal nila dito, kung ano ba mga options meron. There. Ito yung mga options nila na mga meat. So, itong Korean barbecue dito na samyuksal, kasama na rin yung hot pot. Ayan siya. So, marami rin siya. Hinihintay na lang yung meat namin. Sinard na yung soup. Look at our order. Good morning!
Good morning!
Second day natin dito sa Houston, Texas. The Woodlands.
The Woodlands, yeah.
Kaya dito tayo. Dito ako nag-stay sa aking sister. Kasama yung kanyang hubby. So we're going. Sunday we're heading to the outlet. Outlet. Mag-shopping tayo doon.
Shopping.
Yeah. Today, it's a beautiful day. Pretty chill. Maganda yung very sunny. Pero windy. Kaya that's what we want. So, sakay na muna tayo sa kanilang sasakyan, of course. So, right now, we're here sa outlet ng Houston. Ayun. Houston Premium Outlets, di ba? We're going there. Tingnan mo, iba-iba na. Oh, ang daming mga iba-ibang mga brands. And accordingly, marami daw nagsasale dito. So, let's check it out. Kung anong mga magagandang mga products. I'm seeing Levi's, Tommy Hilfiger, tapos Banana Republic, Guess, and a lot more.
So straight up. Respeto sila sa Manda at Basa.
Si Adidas.
Ano talaga, priority.
Alias ng Manila, reganya pa. Tingkat taliwa ko.
Yeah.
Ito, ano pa pa? Chef, basta tayo pa, may magdaan mo mo sa may daan. Tao na
Maskin doon din, ya. Oh, dito.
Kuan mga market doon to pasa kay
habang nag-ano tayo, ikutin man natin yan.
Tingnan niya mga brand na baka.
Kosa, ano ta? O, Andrea kita. So yun guys, first store natin, Adidas. So may nakita kami, may nakita ko sapatos 50% off. Kaya kinuha ko na.
Makikita na
dito muna ako. Ayan. Ang daming mga iba-ibang mga brands dito guys. Maraming mga sale. Kaya ang ganda mamili dito sa outlet nila. So, one store pa lang ang napuntahan namin ay I got 2 sapatos ng Adidas tsaka socks. So, ikot-ikot muna tayo. Then, nagtitingin din ako ng shades pati ng bags. So, we'll see. Ayan. Dito ko sa mga eyeglasses, nagtitingin ako gusto ko magano ng bagong eyeglasses ng shades. I think may nakita na ako itong Ray-Ban na to. Ang ganda guys kasi less 50 yung nakita ko. So check na. Napili ko guys, ang ganda oh. 50% less. So 186 magiging less pa yan. Agad nanginginig ang kamay ko kasi nagbuhat ako ng karga na baggage 186. Anyway, so ko less 50 yan. So malalaman na rin sa counter kung ilan na magkano lang siya kasi 186 siya, so less 50 pa. Kuha ko na yung Ray-Ban. It's really nice. $100 na lang. So, laki ng discount, diba? There you go, my sister. Kasama ko ngayon sa shopping and we're enjoying ourselves kasi ang daming mga sales dito. From like $100 maging 50 na lang. So, isn't it amazing, diba? Ang ganda. Look at this. Ngayon nasa Gap nga kami. So, we just paid our products sa counter. Kaya, ayan. So, dito kami ngayon sa Levi's at kumuha kami ng mga products. Ayan. Kasi ang ganda ng Levi's nila dito. From
Original price is 108.
Original price is 108 guys. Then now 14 na lang. $14. Could you imagine that? So kumuha na kami ng dalawa. Saan ka pa? 501 pa. Ayan. 1.4 na lang. Di ba? Just finished doing the shopping thing here sa outlet ng Houston. So we enjoy ourselves. Talaga.
Let's go!
So, mag-eat na lang muna kami ng In-N-Out burger. Ayan! Try natin yung burger nila dito. This is one of the famous burger stores dito sa US. Kaya try natin. Taran! Ayan mga options. Oo nga, no? Yan lang pala yung mga ano nila, no? Options ng burger. Pero even though mga ilan lang yan, 3 lang ang option ng burgers, I think masarap yan kasi maraming kumakain.
Kulang ako number 2.
Anong pwede mo ma-recommend? Yeah. Yung double-double. Kasi ba sila product? Hindi. Cola. So, nag-order muna. And then, dito kami upo. How's your experience sa In-N-Out? Kasi kumain ka na before.
Sarap.
You like it?
Kahit na 3 options lang. Actually, kaka-open lang. So, madami yung kakain pa late.
Marami silang mga branches dito sa Texas. Originally sa California man to, di ba?
Oo. I think so. Hindi ako sure.
But then, dito nga. I think same lang naman rin sila ng mga
Same
menu. Kaya, so you like it? So,
One of the best.
I'm yet to say kung masarap yan kasi I haven't tried it.
Simple lang, pero
Oo. We'll see. Yeah, we got our order. Ito siya, double. Dalawang order ng double. Isang single. Fries. Ayan. So excited to try this. Picturean ko nga. Let's try.
Quemado de mi lengua.
Really good. I like it. It's nice. Meaty. Cheesy. Stop. Magagas muna. And of course, here's sa US self-service. Hindi katulad sa Philippines, may tagases na. So, yeah, it's fine. Siyempre, nagda-drive ka ng own car mo. Fuel it. Di ba? Ayan siya. Dito kami ngayon sa Costco. Kami ng mga products. Chocolates, food, or kung ano man makita doon. Kuha muna kami ng cart. Let's go. Ako na magtulak dito. Yan. Kumukuha na ako ng mga chocolates. My favorite, Reese's, Hershey's, Lindor, at ito. Ayan. Ayan. And yeah, more pa. Katatapos na mag-grocery shopping for ano, i-add sa mga idadala papuntang balik ng Pinas. We're back. Nandito na kami sa car. And you know what? Nahanap ko rin yung hinahanap ko, tahin. I got a couple of tahin ngayon dito. Kaya really great. I mean, success yung paglipat namin. Hindi naglipat. Nag-purchase din kami ng mga products dun sa Costco. And then, pumunta kami dito sa Walmart. Kumuha, nagdagdag din ako ng mga chocolates and mga other stuff. Kaya, yeah. And I'm so happy kasi nahanap ko that it's really great pag i-ano nyo sa dressing sa mga salads, even sa mga fruits. Masarap siya. So, you guys have to try this. Ewan ko lang kung available. Kasi meron dyan sa SNR, pero very rare na nagkakaroon sila ng ganang products. At kung meron man, naubos siya agad. So, yeah. Dapat pala kumuha tayo sa inyo, no? Para matry mo. Sa'yo na lang to. Isa.
Hindi kami nagaluto.
Hindi dressing to. Inaano sa mga salads. Buksan ko yung isa.
Hindi kami nagasalad.
Ganyan. Sa mga ano. Meat. Pwede rin to sa meat. Actually, pag mag-ano kayo, mag-ihaw-ihaw or sa mga in general, masarap to. Try natin mamaya. morning guys, andito ako ngayon sa airport ng Houston, Texas, bound for New York na ulit. And then, yeah, ibigay ko lang yung mga experiences ko dito. It was really a great experience. Nakapag-tour ako around the city, napuntahan ko yung NASA, and I enjoyed myself so much. I mean, I tried different type of foods. Tapos, most importantly, yung people dito are really awesome, very welcoming. And you know what, nagstay ako sa aking sister, kasama niya yung hubby niya. So, we really had a great time. Nakapag-banding kami. It was really great. So, yeah. For sure, babalik ako to Texas kasi nag-enjoy ako.